Hi friends, I am Yugul Bangade and today I am doing here is the massive unboxing of the laptop HP Pavilion. Let me show you here is the model number HP Pavilion Notebook 15AU 620TX and the specs are somewhat here given. Written that 7th generation Intel Core i5-7200U processor, which is a very new and better processor, good processor. Let me slightly, yeah, 2.5 gigahertz NVIDIA GeForce graphics card are there. I will tell you that 940 MX 2GB graphics card is there in this one inbuilt. It is not dedicated one. That's a very I got when I have known that it is not a dedicated one. I was slightly in somewhat shock or that like somewhat. It has 1 TB hard drive. That same 8 GB of here you can see 8 GB of RAM, which is DDR4 DVD, optical drive, DVD drive, which is here. Here are some of the informations are not clear, but I'll tell you that it is got an Windows 10 15.6 inches digital or like that diagonal HD LED display written here. You can watch here and BO sound. You will see it. Here's the some information given. You can see. Actually, I don't have a proper setup. That's why I'm doing such. And this is a massive unboxing of our channel, Technological Yugul. Here, the box looks like this. Really, this is a massive unboxing, and this is not a review product. I have purchased this for editing videos for you all for my channel. Actually, I have not purchased this, but I have taken this from my friend because he brought it, and I asked him for then taken from him and permission for an unboxing for my channel for you all friends. Is the price written. Original price is given in description. Please check description, and also the best buy link is also in description, which is not an affiliate link. And don't worry, affiliate link is not an bad thing. It is for worth for us and nothing for you all in front. I have purchased this laptop from my nearby shop. Yeah, from my nearby shop. Here some written Intel inside, and here it is this. I have purchased this for our channel Technological Yugul, or only and only our channel Technological Yugul. Actually, this one laptop was previously unboxed. Then also I have by my most of the efforts packed it for you to show you all that how and what things does we get in the box. Let's keep the unboxing knife aside. It has also been packed from this side. Let's also go to this side. Friends, what I have told you that I have purchased it for my video editing purpose, that was a joke, really a joke. I can't afford too much because this is an very costly, but I have brought this unboxing only and only for you all guys. Here you can see it's the charger. Yeah, absolutely charger. I am having a very basic PC. Let's take it out. Thermocol and all things are there. I will just pull it out. I will just pull it out, and just don't give an attention to any third party voice because we have I have no special room for this one, but I am trying to get it very much. Friends, I have just neglected that one part because I can't take it by one hand. Then also I am showing you all. This is a manual. I have repacked it. Just don't give an attention towards any of the packaging. I have repacked it. I am saying that again and again. I have repacked it. What you all got in this manual is just give attention to the manual, friends. Reading the manual is very important before using it. Just if you want to read the manuals, friends, if you really wanted to read the manual, pause our video and read it. It's basic, and here we get many gestures. And friends, I am glad to tell you, I'm telling you that the unboxing of the Redmi Note 4 is coming very soon, and this video is shooted by the Redmi Note 4. I will post the unboxing of that phone very soon because that's a pretty much interesting phone. Actually, I have purchased this very much time back, but I'm not posting the video of it because I have to study about the video editing, and after the study completed of mine of video editing, now I made an channel. I have made a channel of the what you're watching, Technological Yugul. And friends, just neglect the third party any voice and at all, please. That's very important. Actually, my background is just, friends, this is open, and see, I have opened it. Let's just throw it aside. This is a charger. Let's see, and this is also repacked. Friends, please don't give attention towards the packaging. I have repacked it for you all guys, that whatever we did in this one. This is a very interesting and powerful laptop, really powerful. This is very big cable we get with this one, and see, it can just cover. This is my first end of the table. If you can see, I'm just moving it from here, and can see it's just moved. I have not switched, and if you wanted to plug this on, you can see how much big this is. It can just go upward. So friends, we can, if you have not seen, let me show you. This pin looks like this, and setup will be very soon made for our channel also. Just give a great support to my channel, share with your friends. We friends, many interesting unboxings, reviews, and the main thing, researches about the custom ROMs, how TWRP custom ROMs are made, and many videos are coming very soon on our channel, Technological Yugul. Here is the somewhat protection we got. Let's keep it aside. Let's see. Let's attach an charger, because I think this one is charged. It came with an not that much charging, really not that much. I have to keep this aside. Just put it aside. Friends, I have to put the mobile phone on my tripod. Actually, I didn't have a tripod, but I made one for me at my home. As per I told you, I didn't have any of the setup and anything. Just neglect background things. Only very soon. Now I will just plug the charger into main supply. Friends, okay, we are done with it. Yeah. Now let's power this on. This is not a first booting of this laptop, but I will firstly give you a physical overview. I forget to give it up. I will just take it out. Here is the logo of the laptop, HP. Laptop HP. It just turned off. One HP logo. From the back side, here are that folding one. I don't know what it is really. It is written Pavilion here. Air vent for cooling. This is not my friend's one, that's why I'm taking very much precautions, because it is very much costly. The micro SD card slot, some LED notifications for battery purposes that we will show while charging. This is USB 3.0, I think, HDMI LAN cable, and here is the charging socket. You get some rubbery like substance here and here for keeping it down. From this side you get nothing rather than better lining. Friends, this is the cool laptop. Yeah, very cool laptop. That one watch voice you are hearing is of my watch, which I have purchased of 1.5, and 1500. Actually, it's 1500. This is an optical drive one CD. You can click here. I will just keep it here. I can't move it more by one hand. Here we get an mic USB. No, sorry, 3.0 headphone jack plus mic. Here is the USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. Yeah, USB 3.0, USB 2.0. And here's the lock. I don't know about the uses of this lock. Really don't know about the use of this lock. Friends, I am just changing my setup from this to another one. The setup which I am going to show you is very cool, not that much, but after watching the interior preview of this one, then only we will move to the downward. Actually, this is the flash of my phone. I'll just switch it off if you have any problem, but I have to switch it on because it just don't give in clearance. And this is a very rough and good texture to this one. Here we got two mics. Yeah, two mics we get. And while playing this one, here is the LED light. Not a flashlight, not a really good camera, I think, but we will see it by taking a cool photo of your cool host Yugul Bangare. Yeah, we got two mics. One is here and another one is here. This is an your digital camera LED for notification that the light is on. Here we get a branding. Come in here, we get one. Yeah, we get one button. This is an whole speaker. Here is the technology written B and O. Very big keyboard. Yeah, really very big keyboard. Don't just give attention towards my nails. They are too big. I just not cut it. Here's the escape button. The interesting one thing, brightness low, brightness high, means you can increase the brightness from here and decrease from here. This is for multitasking. No, multitasking not. I will show directly the use of this one. This is for backlit, and this is the an interesting thing, friends. This is an very interesting thing that this girl goes with an backlit keyboard. That's an very interesting thing. Increasing volume, decreasing volume, and that all. And most important thing we get here is a numpad, very big trackpad. Here we get, no scratch is gone. Yeah, he's responsible for this one, not an HP, my friend, because he has very bad use. Here we get some Microsoft Office 2016. This is also really good thing. i5 7th generation and NVIDIA. So friends, I am just showing you that this guy has an LED notification for the charging purpose. If you can see here, yeah, what? Not. Oh, charging LED notification is here. Just move it here. Yes. Are you able to see it? Not. Really not. Then let's switch off over this guy. Now you will be able to watch it. Friends, while shooting the video 4K. This guy Redmi Note Pro is hitting too much, and too much. If you wanna do the purchase this phone for video works, please don't go with this. Please don't go with this. Actually, this is my new home. It has all the work. I think this one is for when you goes with usage of the battery. This guys will switch on. Now let's say it's time came to change our setup and go with the setup having a really cool. So friends, let's go there. I have to pause the video. Friends, came came to my this setup which I'm gonna show you. Actually, this is not a setup. Just for this video, this is setup. Let's boot it. Do you wanna boot it? Yeah, let's boot it. After booting, we just gonna wanna switch this off, and you will be thinking, how can I operate the keyboard? Then firstly, here is the button, and we use this. If you can see, very nice one. And this is a interesting one thing. Yeah, really an interesting one thing. And from downside, see, that's not interesting thing. Friends, here is my name. I have to just put my password. You watch here, I'll write here. Actually, for cheating you guys, I have put it here the name Yugul. Actually, this is my friend's laptop. He has purchased this in this month, but my friend is very dear and good for me. I think you guys will not be able, yeah, with this flash of the laptop, you will be able to see the trackpad. Actually, one thing I again like in this one is here it is full trackpad. You can say, I'll just move backward. Just neglect the sticky things. Just move the here. If you can see, I am moving my hands on my on the corner, and then also it is operating. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, it is operating even if I'm my hands on a very much cornery things. And here are the two buttons which are here. You can see, you can hear the, and the gesture I want to tell you all is that you can just do like this. You can move your hand like this, your fingers like I have made it big. See, increment, decrease it. Yeah, now it's normal. And again, if I put two finger, it will me a refresh. Yeah, many of the people just make me disturb. Just two button gesture, if you can see, means no more this button can be damaged. Double tap to click is here. You can see, if you don't know, then get to know. Yeah, opened. This time I'm multitasker, that's why this is open. I'll just now switch it off. Now you can see how good it looks like. I don't know why these lines are coming. This is how your one. Let's go to properties and see your Intel. Here, it's a properties. Battery low is here, and what I want to show you guys is here the notification. Here you can see that white one light glowing here. I've just for 2 minutes which here are the two notifications light. This one is for battery low, and this one is for battery that the laptop is on battery standby. Here you can see the properties, Windows 10 home, single language. This can be overclocked up to 2.7 gigahertz, 8 GB of RAM, 64-bit operating system. It is here means just 64-bit processor it got. No pen and touch, no touch screen things are here. Here is something you can see, and just this thing. So thank you friends, and I got inbuilt Cyberlink Power Director, which is a very good thing for me for editing and videos for you all guys. Yeah, I will show you the camera of this one. Camera, I will just type camera and enter. This is how the camera looks like, and I'll show you that's much clarity. Just switch it off. I will later on show you the better photos of this one. This is Redmi Note Pro. If you can see, you just close it out, and just that friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Technological Yugul, and don't forget to press that like button if you like our setup for this one. I think you really liked it. Actually in background there is this. Yeah. This is a foot lamp, new thing. So thank you friends. We'll just turn it off. This got an very interesting. Thank you friends. Thank you. I didn't want to just extract this video more.